Good morning and welcome to week 7 of Finance for Managers. This is your professor, Dr. Neil Armstrong. I hope everyone's having a great week so far and enjoying learning about finance for managers with me. In week 7, we're going to talk about long-term financing. So let's go ahead and take a look at exactly what's going to be on tap for this week. So these are our goals for the week. Determine the cost of equity capital. We're going to look at firms' overall cost of capital as well. And we're going to definitely look at different dividend types, how they're paid. So these are some major topics we're going to look at in there. So we're going to look at cost of capital, leveraging capital structures, dividends, dividend policy, and raising capital. For this week, we're going to be looking at chapters 12 and 15 of our textbook. And let's look at our assignments real quick as well. We have an interactive activity where it'll give you questions on that as well. We have a discussion board question, which is due on July 20th. Depending on your class, it'll be due a couple days after that. So I'll definitely leave a note on that. And we have an assignment as well. Those are the things we have due in this class. If you have any questions or need anything else, I'm going to definitely leave some other YouTube videos to help out, introduce some of those subjects. But if you have any questions or need anything from me, feel free to reach out. Thanks, and have a great day.